Welcome to another episode of Racing to Learn. We are a nonprofit that gets kids excited about math and science. We're working on our 1990 RX-7. The body style is also called an FC or FC3S. You guys can check out the video description for the full backstory and all the previous episodes. This car needs a lot of work. Basically, I started this back in 01. Sold it about 4 years ago in 2014, and I bought it back for a fraction of what I sold it for, but it was in rough shape. So today we're going to be working on putting in these 4-point harnesses. These are some belts. The Sparcos that are in there. The previous owner was missing one of the belts, missing one of the points in the 4-point. It only had 3 points. I have no idea why, but one was just missing. So we're gonna, that just kind of tells you a little bit about the car there and that previous owner. So we're gonna remove these Sparcos and put in the belts. I tried looking on eBay for just one corner of a 4-point harness, but nobody had one for sale. I should probably set up an alert or something. Let me get some cutters so I can cut those zip ties.
Zip ties, where at? Oh, holding the belts back.
Yeah.
So you bought these new seat belts.
Yeah, well, I got them used. The guy that sold me the front bumper threw those into the deal.
But this seems way cleaner.
Yes.
It's probably legit.
Yeah, this one is legit. The
Okay.
guy that I bought all this stuff from, or the bumper and the belts, he is a
Ricer.
mechanic.
Oh.
He is a Mazda mechanic.
Interesting.
At a dealership. So just cut these off here. I don't want to cut any fabric.
On the inside. Oh yeah, that's a tricky spot to get into.
Actually, I'll just cut it from here. It's easier to get to.
There you go.
Okay. And
There's
these
one.
are just holding the extra loops in. This is how you. So we'll leave one as an example, but these have to be looped in a certain way to keep you in place, so that they tighten under load. So, you've had to deal with these belts on like your backpack and stuff before.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Kind of similar.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, loops under, right, so that when it's under tension, it'll actually keep the belt from slipping. So we'll unloop one of these, and these were wider 3-inch versus the belts are like a 2-inch.
So belts will be a nice fit.
Yeah, I mean if you're doing hardcore racing, of course, go for the 3-inch wide because they're gonna disperse that pressure better. But we're not doing that, so 2 inches just fine. And
Boom.
yeah,
There
I
it
didn't
goes.
negotiate with the guy on the price for the bumper, so he threw those in for free. Nice dude. Yes. So. All right, so I already bolted that corner in. Basically, so down there, that is just the factory mount, and then we'll just loop this in. My battery's there, so gotta be a little more careful. Actually, so this mount.
It's missing something.
Yeah, so these are 2 different types of seat belts. Let me get this side out here. So see this? It kind of loops around. This has an eyelet on it. So that's going to bolt down somewhere. It's kind of a preference thing, but the nice thing is that, well, we just have to find either a hold, an existing bolt to bolt this on, or we're going to have to drill a hole. Hi. He's inside.
Oh.
All right, so
Mama, can you get me inside?
the door's open. You can go in.
Aw.
All right, so we'll just feed this through.
Oh.
And
You bring it down and bolt it.
yeah,
I'm going a
let's do
different
this.
way.
Pop the trunk.
Pop the trunk.
Yeah.
I'm going a
And then
different
we'll see if we have any.
I'm going a different way.
Oh, I think I'd need the key to pop the trunk.
I got it from the inside.
Oh, this thing.
It's stuck. It's here.
Because there's like a key lock back
I'm
here.
going
Yeah, yeah, you can pop it through there, but ooh, did I not pop it? Oh, I might have popped the gas tank. There we go.
Whoa.
It should hold. Is it not?
No.
Not.
Does it like pop up or?
No, the seals
Oh,
are
it
probably.
holds. It holds.
Okay.
Just enough.
Can you grab that, Elon?
Yep, got
Let's see. So this
have to, like,
is
hold it
about
back
where
here or
we
something?
want. Yeah. So yeah, we want to look for a. Oh, did it reach here?
Yeah.
That's kind of a weird angle.
Well, yeah.
Well, we can start there. We can start there. We just need somewhere to bolt it down. Oh, that's pretty high though.
Well, what if we put it under here? Yeah.
Yeah, that's still pretty high. Basically, you want. Give me some slack on it. Yeah, you want it probably about here.
Or how about at like this point? Just like kind of bump.
Yeah. Unfortunately, we are going to have to drill. Actually, you know what we could do? Oh, it's coming down. We can actually do this. We can use these existing holes because you can tighten this up too.
Oh, really?
Yeah. See.
Okay.
So yeah,
Let's use the existing.
Yeah, it's just that the bolts are kind of small. You want a bigger bolt.
Just drill through them.
You can do that. You can do that. Yeah, we'll use them for now. Just with some extra washers. Use that, yeah.
Yeah, 1, 2, and then you could do the same thing here potentially. 1,
Yeah,
2.
so the other side we're just gonna leave the
Yeah,
existing belts.
okay.
Those are good. Yeah.
Okay.
So,
And so, well, I guess we'll make a bolt. Drill a bolt there. I guess.
yeah, let me grab so we can mock, test fit with this and just see how it, how it works out inside.
Yeah.
Hi, Johan. How are you?
Hi, I'm good. I'm good.
Hey, Ronnie. Just a heads up. Swimming lessons in 15 minutes. Okay.
Oh shoot,
Sorry,
we gotta
it's
go.
it's in 30 minutes. We have to leave in about 15 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, just a heads up.
All right. Thanks, babe.
Sure. See you later, Johan.
Let's do this. So, where are my bolts? 10 millimeter bolts.
Ah, perfect. Well, I mean, it probably wouldn't work in the. Think we'd like drill a bigger hole?
Yeah, I mean,
That's
just
not ideal.
yeah, you don't want to drill it out because there's kind of something on the other side that acts like a nut. So, but I do have like the guy also gave me these reinforced belt mounts.
Belt mounts.
Yeah.
Oh, so you must have those somewhere, obviously.
Weird.
Oh! Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas indeed. So
You're a
let's
motor guy. Yeah, have it drill.
So these suckers here.
Does that look right? Looks like it would go pretty straight across.
Hi Josh, you back?
Boom. Maybe that one.
This is
Yeah, the washer seems like it would do good enough. So,
Perfect. This is a 10 mil.
Hey!
Yeah. All right. So
That's
yeah,
awesome.
put it in there.
Oh, sorry, I can't see the hole from
Oh
here.
yeah, it's okay. I'll grab it.
Or here, I can cover around here.
Let's go. Got it.
Gotta reverse. Okay, well, awesome. This. Seems like it needs like a bigger watch.
Yeah. Hi, Elise. You gotta show Ayi.
Oh, wow. I worked a lot with Baba. I worked a lot with Baba. Yay. Elise. Ow. Let's go. I want to play Tug-of-War.
Yeah, here.
I want to test.
Go right over.
Tickle, tickle.
Tickle,
Tickle, tickle, tickle. Hi. Let me go inside. I'm carving it. Stop. Don't get past me.
We have one in the bag. Hey, you guys be careful. Be careful, okay? Yeah, so that's one belt. What are you guys doing? Do you want to test it out?
No, I want to see it.
Okay. That's what I meant by testing it out. All right.
Just test it out. Just sit on the
So
other
I guess-
side.
Kind of do the same thing for the other side.
Yeah, let's get this other belt out. But yeah, this is like a proper mount, so you know you can see how it works here. Well,
Just sit here.
can't see how this is working right now, but basically, yeah, drill 2 holes through
Sit next to me so we can
through the
drive
chassis there,
together.
and then this holds the belt mount. Hey guys, don't squish each other, please.
Just you
Yeah.
get sit in the driver's seat.
So
No.
this would require some drilling,
Tickle, tickle.
which we won't do today. Because I have to make sure that there's no fuel tank or anything under that.
Or you could just get another 10 millimeter for the.
Yeah. I mean that's
As a
the thing is that a 10 mil
Bang, bang.
a 10 mil bolt
Punch, punch.
may or may not be strong enough for this, for this use case. Maybe there was a grade, like there are different grades of bolts too, like a grade 8 would be, but
See what's in the back.
yeah, that's the quicker, easier solution, which is probably what we'll do.
Alright.
Is I'll just get some
drills.
grade 8 bolts.
When I do that to Nathan, he never
Take out the other side.
does that.
Yeah.
Does it this? Yeah.
Hey guys,
But you do.
careful,
Even
okay?
though you're
This is, we're working
bigger.
around a car, so
And
that's
you can.
dangerous.
What are you doing, Baba?
I'm cutting this
Saying what? Maybe this.
piece of plastic. See? Okay.
Me and Josh are going to go swimming soon.
Yeah.
Oh, that seems fun.
You know that. But swimming lessons.
Swimming lessons?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've got to so the battery's right here, Johan.
The batteries?
The battery.
Oh, yeah.
So I should probably make this a little bit safer.
Odyssey Extreme. Danger poison.
Yes.
I poisoned his mind into getting this terrible body cab. Oh my goodness. Talk about it. Okay. Is that coming
Alright.
loose?
Yep, it is loose.
And then we'll put the other one on up and over.
Yep. Exactly.
Is it bolted in or?
No. The other side is completely loose, I believe.
Oh, but I guess do you have a general idea of where you bolt it?
Yeah. There's
that big
bolt.
bolt in the
Yeah.
bottom.
So that's a type of bolt, like size of bolt that you would want to hold a seatbelt in versus it's much bigger than the 10 mil.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on, Elise. I need to put this in.
Trace.
Hey, you broke the chair. Okay, can you guys play outside of the car, please? You guys can play outside of the car. Thank you.
Yay! Let's play football. I got a rocket football.
Big silly Billy.
I want to show them.
Oh yeah. Go get your Legos. Go get your special Legos.
Fine.
Alright.
Oh no.
Alright.
I'm going to go.
Connected to the battery.
That's the antenna. Yeah.
Oh, we can make that work. Kind of pretty flush.
Okay.
Yeah.
That works.
Finding Elise.
We don't need an antenna in this car anyways. There's no radio.
Where? I hear her.
So, yeah. I'll get 10 mil bolts.
Finding Elise.
And we'll screw that down.
Yeah, and I've got to
Awesome.
find a big bolt.
Can't wait to see
Is that
how.
what's missing?
Can't wait to see how it looks. Da-da-da.
Yeah. Hey, so belt, you know who they also make seat belts for?
On
Who?
her.
Ferrari.
Running.
Whoa.
Yeah. So they're
Exclusively?
legit belts for
Ah.
racing. All right. So yeah, can you grab that brick out of there?
The brick?
Yeah. And then we'll wheel this back in.
Get
And we'll
Elise.
call it a day.
Alright.
Get Elise.
Thanks again for watching. Let us know what you guys think in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.